staring at you looking dumb. No, I don't ever hold my tongue. I will never be what you expect. Maybe you need to get your eyes checked. I don't care if you think I'm stuck up. I don't care cause you can't call my bluff. I don't care if you think I'm a clown. I don't care cause you can't pin me down. You can't pin me down. I'm everything you can't define. I'm always gonna cross your line. You can't pin me down, pin me down. Can't pin me down, pin me down, pin me down. You can't pin me down, pin me down, pin me down. Can't pin me down, pin me down, pin me down. You can't pin me down, pin me down. Can't pin me down, pin me down, pin me down. You can't pin me down, pin me down, pin me down. You can't pin me down, pin me down, pin me down. You can't pin me. What you staring at? You looking dumb. No, I don't ever hold my tongue. I will never be what you expect. Maybe you need to get your eyes checked. I don't care if you think I'm stuck up. I don't care cause you can't call my bluff. I don't care if you think I'm a clown. I don't care cause you can't pin me down. You can't pin me down. I'm everything you can't define. I'm always gonna cross a line, and I can't help it. You can't pin me down, pin me down. Can't pin me down, pin me down, pin me down. You can't pin me down, pin me down, pin me down. Can't pin me down, pin me down, pin me down. You can't pin me down, pin me down. Can't pin me down, pin me down, pin me down. You can't pin me down, pin me down, pin me down. You can't pin me down, pin me down, pin me down. You can't pin me. You can't pin me down. Can't pin me down. Can't pin me down. Yeah. Yo, what you staring at? You looking dumb. No, I don't ever hold my tongue. I will never be what you expect. Maybe you need to get your eyes checked.
So a little behind the scenes action. This is me sitting in front of the camera being vulnerable. Obviously I don't have my sunnies on. I'm wearing my regular prescription glasses. Oh, by Crew. All my sunglasses are by Crew too. I never really mentioned the brand of my glasses in my videos, but they're all Crew. Because I'm actually getting ready to put together the looks for the next video because I'm doing a shorts video. So I'm just gonna vlog a little behind the scenes look, I guess. You know, my biggest thing I just was thinking about is just how hard it is to be vulnerable like this. You know, I always want to present myself in the best light, but this is just me chilling at the crib, you know, with my favorite around the crib sweatshirt, this little Twitch one. I don't know. It's interesting being vulnerable. I'm gonna get better with the vlogs over time. You know, mostly I just have to remember to turn my camera on, which I've been doing more lately. So this one might be a little choppy, but you know, we'll get it together. For me, it's just compiling all this footage and editing it and having all this leftover, and it's so hard for me to remember to like delete the unused stuff. I just have piles and piles of old videos I've recorded and stuff like that that I just never delete. So I need to be more judicious with that kind of stuff. But yeah, you know, gonna pick a little something out for this little video idea I have for the next drop. And so I'm just gonna give you some background view into what I'm doing with this and how I'm doing it. We'll see how it comes together in the vlog. I don't know. Probably a lot of this is gonna get edited out anyway. It's probably gonna get edited down to like less than a minute, but we're gonna see.